The National Foundry Technology Network, or NFTN, exists to support the South African foundry industry become more competitive and sustainable. They achieve this by offering technical interventions that build foundries' capacity and competitiveness, such as technology, product and tooling development, by supporting foundries to comply with relevant legislation and industry standards, and through the development of critical skills in the foundry sector. A foundry is a factory that produces metal castings where metal shapes are formed by pouring molten metal into a mold cavity where it solidifies as it is cooled and later extracted. There are approximately 130 foundries across South Africa, most of whom undertake high or low pressure casting, sand casting or gravity casting. Many of these foundries are working in aging facilities and facing multiple challenges, including cheap imports, rising energy costs and a shortage of foundry skills. In order to remain in business and secure profitable exports and contracts from original equipment manufacturers or OEMs, foundries have to comply with various international quality standards, which often proves a significant challenge in the aging foundry sector. The NFTN works to assist in this area. Recently, the NFTN supported 3 local foundries to obtain accreditation in the EU Pressure Equipment Directive or PED standard. This certification opens up an international market and eliminates the need for OEMs to import the components that require PED. Under its Foundry Capacity Building Program, the NFTN aims to support various technical improvements at foundries. An NFTN-supported project at a foundry, for example, resulted in 36% reduction in scrap, which allowed the foundry to meet the daily component quota by the automotive OEM. Best practice changes were put in place to improve the overall production process, including changes in the die design and casting process, training of staff, and the establishment of a quality assurance system. To help ensure the development of critical skills in the sector, the NFTN has partnered with the Gauteng Foundry Training Center, who provide QCTO-accredited artisans training in melting, molding, and pattern making, amongst others. The center boasts a fully equipped foundry facility that is the only one of its kind in South Africa. The NFTN is an initiative of and funded by the National Department of Trade, Industry and Competition and works to support the development of the sector as a whole. To this end, the NFTN seeks to work not only with foundries but with manufacturers in the automotive, rail, mining, valves, pumps and other sectors to connect them with foundries where they can get quality, locally produced components, increasing local content and adding value to the South African manufacturing sector. The NFTN is an initiative of the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition, managed by the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. For more information, visit our website at www.nftn.co.za.